Hello and welcome to the Box Institute's tutorial on how to use VLOOKUP to find duplicate values in Excel. So we have here two lists of fruit. Okay, we have a very large list of fruit and then we have a smaller list of fruit. And what we want to do is we're going to look up the value in column B to see if it exists in column A. And if it does, it's going to return that value. And if it's not, it's going to say NA. So in these examples here, we're going to look up this fruit to see if it exists in this column. And it does not exist in this column. I have them sorted alphabetically so it's easy to see that. And then it will return the NA value. If the value is in this list, which you can see it here at the top, it will return that value. So let's do that now. So here we're going to label this column VLOOKUP example. And in here, we're going to type in equals VLOOKUP, open parentheses, and we're going to be looking at column B. So we look through column B, we select it there, and then we're going to check column A. So we put in column A there. And if the value is there, we're going to say put in the value. And if it's not, we're going to say false. And so here we see, we can double click that and it'll copy it down all the way down. And there you have it. So it's looking up to see if the value in column B exists in column A. And you can see this value does exist in column A, so it returned that value. This value does exist in column A, so it returned that value. And here it does the same thing. This one here, this fruit, does not exist in column A, so therefore it's an NA. And this is an easy way to create a list of duplicate values. Yes, you can highlight this and do a conditional formatting and say highlight the duplicate values in these two lists. So let's do that. Let's just take a look and see what that looks like. And there you have it, right? And now we can actually test this and see that all the ones that aren't highlighted, right, are NA. But when you do it this way, it's hard to get an entire list, right? You can't really copy conditional formatting. In here, we can now copy this list and say, okay, here are the duplicate values. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, check out the next one.